Hi, this is Kevin Cook. Thank you for coming back to Heavy Construction Equipment Podcast. In this episode, we're going to talk about construction water pumps. These are important in any construction site. And again, this episode has been sponsored by me. Are you looking for good, used, quality equipment? Then come to our website at www.startractor.com or call me at 817-733-3799. All right, here we go on to the podcast. Water pumps have multiple uses in the construction site. It is mainly used for clearing rainwater from the construction site or dewatering a reservoir where some construction work will be processed or proceeded. There is no ideal construction water pump available that can suit in every occasion. Contractors or engineers use one or more water pumps depending on the situation. These water pumps are evaluated on the basis of their performance, buying prices, maintenance costs, and durability. Types of construction water pumps. The scores of water pumps are available. They possess different capabilities and other features. However, the water pumps used in construction jobs can broadly classify under two heads: centrifugal water pumps and positive displacement water pumps. One where you suck water from one side and move it over to another side. Centrifugal water pumps are mainly used in construction sites, while the positive displacement water pumps have a wide-ranging utility in different industries. Centrifugal water pumps. These are the most used water pumps that can be for displacing any kinds of thin liquids into water. These pumps are very helpful in removing low-density liquids too. In this water pump, one or more rotating impeller are used for driving water into the pump and discharging it under high pressure. These water pumps are available in different specifications in the market. However, the following are the most common water pumps in this gender. Axial flow pumps. In this, water pump enters and passes out without changing the directions, and the direction remains parallel to the rotating impeller. These pumps do not create very high pressure inside to discharge water. Okay. Vertical pumps. These are also called turbines. In the pump casing, a rim-like channel is fixed around which is impelled the rotation. The impeller has the blades on both sides of the rim, and the water or liquid inside rotates repeatedly, and the discharge pressure increases remarkably. Radical flow pumps. These are the most used pumps in the construction industry. The water enters the pump along the axial plane into back, and it speeds its advance by rotating the impeller, and it exits at the high pressure at a right angle to the shaft. The radical flow pump function at higher pressure but lower rate of discharge than the axial flow pumps. Mixed flow pumps. It's a combination of axial flow pumps and radical flow pumps. It exits the pumps at an angle that may be any time in between 0 to 90 degrees. Jet pumps. Pumps are normally used to extract water from a very deep reservoir or well. An eject pump possesses two parts. One that is fixed under the ground for pumping water, and another about the ground of generating flow. The benefits of construction water pumps are that these pumps can be used in buildings, bridges work, and where water is needed constantly. A radical flow pump or mixed flow pump is generally used for any usable reservoir is available at nearby. However, a jet pump or jet water pump may be used to bring water from a distant place or collect it from underground natural water. The axial water pump is generally used to drain water that is stored due to rain or flood on a construction site. You gotta when you work on these job sites, sometimes you gotta get rid of that water because if it sits too long, you can't work. Again, if you got any questions, give me a jingle, 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.